say you're tired, you don't wanna fight, but I've been wondering if everything's alright. You say you love me, and that's all fine, but it's like I'm missing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So obviously if you read the title, then you already know what this video is about. I was inspired by Amber to go ahead and do a realistic wash and go. At first I was like, I don't think this is for me, but she was like, oh, I think it'll be cute on your hair. So here we are, and if you guys are interested in, not really what I did because it's self-explanatory, but I did use a new leave-in conditioner. So if you want to know my thoughts on the leave-in conditioner and my thoughts on this wash and go, then just keep on watching. So I'm just starting off on old braid out. It's time for me to wash my hair. So of course I'm gonna jump in the shower, wash my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like with absolutely no product on it. Today I'm going to be using the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Like I said in my intro, this is my first time using it. The formula is super lightweight. It's definitely not as thick of a product that I would like to use on my hair, especially if it's going to be the only thing that I'm using. But as you guys can see, it's making my hair super moisturized, and I was pleasantly surprised, honestly. I'm definitely taking much smaller sections than I normally would because I'm not using my Denman brush, and because this is the only product I'm using, and I'm just taking my time making sure that I'm working the product through each section. I'm taking about 3 to 4 pumps of the leave-in and just really taking my time working that through the section. And I'm gonna do that throughout my entire head. And y'all are probably like, girl, why are you doing this video so late? This trend been over. I filmed this video over a month ago, and I just have not had time to actually edit it and post it because, as you guys know, last month Bob and I were closing on our house, moving in, and doing all that fun stuff. So I haven't had time to get to this. Once I'm done with that, I do want to lay my edges. So I'm taking this Cream of Nature gel. It is super thick. I love it because once I put it on my hair, it leaves my hair stuck in that position and I don't have to worry about it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and lay my edges. And this is the next day. As you guys can see, my hair is moisturized, looking a little crazy, but it's moisturized. And this is the final look. I personally love it. It's fluffy, it's moisturized, it's so soft. Not as defined, but I actually think I like this look a lot. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what you think about the leave-in. And of course, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.